Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today's video is going to be the September Boxycharm unboxing. Wow, September, just take that in. Today's video, we are going to be putting these products to the test, try on style as we usually do. I have already opened my box and I've already taken a peek inside to see what we have gotten, and honestly this box is a little disappointing. We have some Tarte products and some brushes, and I don't know, I'm just not excited about this box in general, but we're going to put it to the test. Either way, we're going to see if these products are good. Is this box worth $25? You guys know that the value is usually always higher than $100, so yeah, we're going to put them to the test, and let's jump right into this video. Okay, so the first thing that I opened was my little Tarte High Performance Naturals Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. I do want to point out though that I feel like we get a lot of Tarte eyeshadows in our Boxycharm. Like, I think I've gotten rid of pretty much all of my Tarte palettes because they're just palettes that for me personally I don't ever reach for, or I would never reach for. With that said though, this palette is really pretty. It is an eyeshadow palette. As you can see, you get two shades here and then like a middle shade, and then you get two more shades, middle shade, yada yada yada, and then down here you do get some bronzing shades, which I totally forgot, and I already added my bronzer, but we are going to add a little bit of this and maybe a little bit of this onto this skin, and then we're going to dig into the eyeshadow palette. Of course, as always, on the back it has all the prices, the listing of all the products that we get in our Boxycharm. After that, we also got this Dr. Brandt Skin Changing Science. It's a hydrobiotic recovery sleeping mask. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Dr. Brandt, we've gotten a few of their products, and honestly, I have discovered some of my favorite skincare products from Boxycharm. One of my favorite ones is their, oh my god, I don't remember the name of it right now, but it's like a microdermabrasion at home exfoliator. That stuff is amazing, and I've repurchased it. Now this one, obviously I can't use it today because it is a sleeping mask, so this one retails for $52. This mask helps balance the skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation, which is pretty cool. So I'm definitely going to take this up to my bedroom and we're going to try it tonight, and hopefully my skin doesn't break out. Another brand that we've also seen in Boxycharm is MODA Pro. This is by Royale and Lancome. This is a 5-piece deluxe eye kit. Now this one retails for $27.95. Wow, that's a little bit pricey. I swear this brand is sold at Walmart, and that's a little bit pricey for me. Maybe I'm confusing it with another brand. So let's open this up and see the quality of these brushes. Like I said, I know that we've gotten this brand before. These do feel pretty soft. I'm going to be using these today to recreate an eye look. We also have here the Hank & Henry Blackicity Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. That is really cool. I've heard of Hank & Henry before, and I think we've gotten products in the past from this brand. But yeah, we're gonna see how this is. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, that is pretty creamy. It was a little not as black as I personally like them, but that's okay. We're still going to try it. And if I didn't mention it, this one retails for $20. Another products that I swear we've gotten this before, and if I'm right, please let me know in the comment section below, and if I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section down below as well. This is the $1 Billion Brow, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. Now this one retails for $18, and this is in the shade Taupe, which obviously I didn't use this on my brows today because I wear black or I use a dark brown or a black shade. So I'm not going to keep this. I'm actually just going to put this to the side and pass it on to somebody that will actually get a good use out of it. And that was everything, guys. That is everything that we got in our Boxycharm. So with that said, let's jump right into this eye tutorial. Even though I do have my face contoured and bronzed, I am going to take a little bit of the terracotta shade, which is that one, and I'm just going to add a little bit more color onto the skin. I'm really curious as to how nice and pigmented this is. That's actually really pretty. Obviously you can't see like a huge difference because I'm already wearing bronzer, but that's a pretty color. I saw a slight warmth to my skin. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to take a little fluffy brush and I'm going to go into the shade Solstice, which is this one right here. And my lids have been primed, so I'm just going to set them in place. I'm also going to bring that upwards to the brow bone. Make sure that you tap out any creasing that you may have on your lids before you go in and set, because then you're going to set the crease on your eyes or your eyelid. Before I go in with the eyeshadow, I'm actually going to take a little bit of tape. I don't have any duct tape or that scotch tape, so I'm going to have to take like a big ol' tape. Actually, I'm going to try to make this a little bit thinner because I don't want it to ruin my foundation and bronzer. I'm going to take a little bit of my tape and I'm just going to apply it to where I want the winged out smoke liner to go. Just like that, and then I'm going to try and make this side as even as I possibly can. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Hank & Henry Sleek With It or Slick With It eyeliner, and I'm just going to draw like a little wing. And before I let that dry out, I'm going to pick up the BMX 420 detail brush, and I'm going to dig into the shade Onyx, which is obviously this black shade. And I'm going to tap it over the eyeliner, almost setting it. And then I'm just going to start smudging that. I'm actually going to quickly switch to this, what is it, the line brush. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Smudger, which is this one, and I'm going to pick up the shade Smoke just to help me diffuse the black. And all I'm doing is tapping it literally like right where the liner ends at the very top, just right here. And do you see how that's getting nice and diffused? Now I'm going to go back with, or I'm going to pick up the brush shade, and I'm really just further blending everything just so it's nice and smoked out. Just like that. And then I'm going to pick up the shade Ember, which is this beautiful brown shade, and I'm applying that at the very top of the smoked out liner. And then I'm actually going to take the crease brush and just blend that. And then I'm going to go back and pick up the detail brush, and I'm going back with smoke. And I'm actually going to mix a little bit of stone in here. And I'm just going to go back where we applied the black and just diffuse it a little bit more. I'm going to go back with the original brush that I used to set the lids. And I'm just going to really make sure that that is diffused. Now that it's diffused to my likings, I'm going back into Onyx and just grabbing a little bit and really emphasizing the darkness on the lash line. Just like that. So as you can see, it's nice and diffused. Now I'm just going to take off the tape. And boom, you should have a clean, crisp line. Boom, you are done. You have a nice smoked out wing liner. All you have to do is pop on some lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then we're done. Really quickly, I'm just going to add a brown eyeliner to the waterline. This is really going to just bring the look together and just add that extra oomph. So whatever shade you have, this is the Italia. It's a lip liner, but I'm going to use it as my eyeliner in the shade Hot Cocoa. I'm going to take the shade Smoke, which is a cool tone brown, and I'm just going to apply this so I can smudge that color a little bit more, or that pencil. And then I'm going to go back to the crease brush and just really diffuse everything together. You almost want to connect the lower lash line to the liner that we created, just so it's all like one. I'm going to take this Can liquid lipstick. It doesn't have a name, but it's this shade. It is so beautiful. And we're just going to apply that to the lips. All right, you guys, and there it is. This is my quick, I don't know, you can probably break this down to like 5-10 minutes if you really just know what you're doing, or if you just are quick to it. I don't know, it's just such a simple smoked out eyeliner that's, I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me quickly add the total for this month's box. The total is $162.95, which is way over the $21 that you pay. I'm really excited for this one, the Dr. Brandt, and I'm actually pretty excited about this palette. I think I'm actually going to keep it. Not sure how often I will reach for it, but I really do like it. So with that said, you guys, that is it for this September Boxycharm unboxing. Let me know if you guys recreate this look. If you do, please tag me or send me your picture through Snapchat or Instagram. All my social medias will be linked down below. That is it for me, you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you on my next video, which is on Wednesday, so make sure you're subscribed. Mwah. Bye!